Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up?
All right, so just another day in Bali actually.
It's like a few vlogs in the past. It's just another day in Bali, but that's how it's when you're doing vlogs every single day. So it's just another day in Bali, right?
Yeah.
And we are heading to Kuta today.
Yeah. So today we are heading to Kuta actually for Christmas holiday. I don't know. Maybe some of you are thinking like. Maybe it's a good idea to go somewhere outside of Bali, right, honey?
Yes.
But
that was our idea to go outside the Bali actually, but due to the current changes into regulations of travel, we have to postpone this idea for the next Christmas next year.
Nowadays in Kuta actually, as we see that yesterday in the airport, already many people coming, because as you know that the rule in Bali is starting from 18th of December, right? So starting from today, that whenever you're going to Bali you have to have a PCR test. Before used to be only rapid test, but nowadays due to the long holiday, New Year holiday, Christmas holiday, they changed the rule and they make like you need to take a PCR test to travel to Bali. The Kuta Traffic is back. Oh wow, look at this. I don't know what to say. Deep inside my heart, I'm happy because it's alive again. Yeah, traffic, big bus. I miss this. I know that before I really hate to go to Kuta because of the traffic. But now I feel, I don't know, I just want to say I'm super happy that, you know, life is back to normal. Told you, Bali Kuta Traffic is back.
It's messy like before. But it's actually good to see this mess. You know?
Yeah. You see how people drive.
just arrived to the mall. As you saw, it was quite busy on the street, right, honey?
It's not quite busy, but so busy.
Yeah, super extremely busy. It normally, like normal time, it's quite actually well. First time I'm happy from the traffic, you know what I mean? Okay, we will see how's the crack in the sun inside the Beachwalk Mall. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
You gonna buy me Christmas present today? Yes, no, maybe?
Maybe.
What does it mean, maybe? As you can see, it's quite many people shopping around. This is Pull&Bear. It's quiet, kind of busy, yeah? Yes, honey, what do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
This is the ground floor of the Beachwalk, and as you can see, it's quite many street food vendors over here. Obviously they change it probably due to the festive season, and a lot of local tourists coming here, so it's actually a good change. I mean, it's quite unusual in this mall actually, but yeah, it's good to see something different, right?
Yeah. Well, actually that, I don't know, we plan to dinner somewhere, and the small kid just waving to the big doll actually. Yeah, we will see that. Maybe we will have a dinner here in the mall.
Maybe in the food court upstairs. I don't know.
Upstairs, we will see. So many people.
But it's so many people. The only thing is, what I notice is now something Christmas vibes. It's not much Christmas vibe like Christmas trees, or I don't know, the kids singing like in the mall Bali Galleria. Yes, honey? Yeah, it's actually not much is happening about Christmas on this mall, but yeah, it's quite busy, yeah. I just noticed, and when you are on the second floor, over here is the food court, but here is Sheraton. Yeah, it's Sheraton, honey? Yeah, it's Sheraton.
So here is the Sheraton Hotel actually.
Over here.
Yeah, Beachwalk Mall and Sheraton is, you know, like neighbor, you know.
Yeah, they are neighbor. And yeah, you have if you have this room, you have straightforward view overlooking the mall.
Just jump to the mall.
That sounds kinda cool. That's the food court situation, and actually food court is kinda quiet, I have to say. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, surprisingly, it's quiet. What's happened?
I don't know, maybe because I'm too happy.
Alright, so it's no Santa Claus here in the mall, so I will hug with Pikachu. Oh, so cool! Yes, Pikachu! Yeah! That's my Santa for this year, okay? Thank you! High five! decided to have dinner in
Cafe Sardinia in Beachwalk, actually.
quite famous place, very nice. Actually, very nice pizza.
Yeah, very nice pasta also.
Nice food. Cheers, guys. And bintang.
Hotel. Look at this. Jesus Christ. There is no car park even. See how full the hotel is. Oh my goodness. Alright, so this is how Kuta at night. We already had dinner and then we already went to what is it, the Beachwalk Mall. So as you see behind us, like, ooh,
still
traffic.
a lot of life.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
So thank you for watching us. That's all our video today, and then see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys. See ya. Take care.